Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to safely jack up your Audi A4. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Park your vehicle on a flat, level, and firm surface, then engage the parking brake. It is crucial to place wheel chocks behind the wheels that will remain on the ground. Always consult your Audi A4's owner's manual for specific jacking points and safety instructions. Remember, never work under a car supported only by a jack. Always use sturdy jack stands for your protection. Now, let's locate the correct jacking points on your Audi A4. For the front, these are typically found just behind the front wheels, along the reinforced pinch welds. Similarly, the rear jacking points are usually situated in front of the rear wheels, also along the pinch welds. Look for small arrows or distinct reinforced areas on the undercarriage. Using incorrect points can cause significant damage to your vehicle's frame, suspension components, or even the battery housing, so be precise. With your jack points identified, it's time to lift your Audi A4. Position your floor jack directly and squarely under the designated jacking point. Begin to slowly and steadily raise the vehicle. Continue lifting until the tire you are working on is just a few inches off the ground. Next, carefully place your jack stand securely under the vehicle's frame, adjacent to the jack. Finally, gently lower the vehicle onto the jack stands, ensuring it is stable and secure before proceeding with any work. Once your work is complete, it is time to safely lower your Audi A4. First, slightly raise the vehicle again with your jack, just enough to relieve pressure and allow you to remove the jack stands. Carefully pull the jack stands out from under the car. Then, slowly and in a controlled manner, lower your Audi A4 completely back down to the ground. Remove the jack and any wheel chocks. Always double-check that all lug nuts are tightened to the manufacturer's specified torque settings for safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.